What's up, YTV? This is your boy DJ Y, and I'm back with breaking news. So, a few minutes ago, legendary Lloyd Banks announced that he's going to drop his first single with Method Man from his upcoming album. On screen, you're watching his IG post, and this is what he said. New music alerts: the first release of the upcoming album, The Curse of Inevitable 101 Razors feat. Method Man, produced by John Sounds, dropping this Friday. Bro, this is amazing, man. This is straight fire, bro. We have Lloyd Banks and Method Man on the same track, man. This is unbelievable, man. I'm sure that this song is already classic. Guys, honestly to say, I always wanted to see Method and Banks on the same track, man. Can't wait to hear this album, man. So guys, it was all. If you like how we, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptvy.com. Before I finish the video, I have a question of the day. Guys, honestly tell me, what is your all-time favorite album by legendary Lloyd Banks? Thanks for watching. Peace.